Buju genwa mewa benasige and aya oman. Nungum enga gagidor eu. Abata etayan half. Minawa eko niwing. Nungum giwika gigidori eu bakan masnaigan. We're going to look at different pictures, different ways you can giishkizhan. Bakaan giishkizhan minawa bakan beskikanan. Different ways you can cut and fold your fractions. But they still look the same. They're still going to be abata etayan, half, and minawa ekoniwing, and fourths. Wiwa banana o, we must be again, yo. Oma abata etayan nijing, you have two pieces. Omaya, we must be again, abata etayan, minawa. This is our starter one. We know, we know this one is abata etayan. Ew, wabanan. So, ew, nijing, aha, we must be again, abata etayan. Mi goyak. Inga goyketan, ew, if you turn it, nasab, they're the same. If you turn them, they're still the same. Ishbegewe abata etayan, but still if you cut it in half and you have the one colored in, abata etayan, it is still half. Let's try another way of goyketan, of turning it. Vijamenoma. Minawa, giwizachigain, goyketan. Ew. Nasab, it's still the same. Ew. Abata etayan, viayam. Minawa, ew. Masnibige, misko, miskwa. Gansta. Inga maja seema. Inga turama. I'm going to put it here. Inga goyketan, and then you turn it. Nasab, these are all the same. Kukena nasab, these are just different ways you could cut it based on looking at it. Nungum kiwiya wabanani yo IXL math. Make sure to pay attention when you're doing this on IXL math. Sometimes the dots, they're changed. So the dots could look differently when you see them. They could be up top. Gancha. They could be right here and right here. Ingekendani yo giwi besha. Giwi masnabige besha. So you draw the line there. Magajago giwi ojabian. It'll have dots for you. Oma, Emma. If they show you this picture first, and they have these 4 dots, this is the one you draw for your second. This one, they might show you Basic, Nij, Niswe, Niwen. They might show you 4 dots looking like this. And they might show you it already looking like this in the other picture. So then you just draw the opposite lines. Gawin, giwiya yasin, nasab, iko. You don't want them to be the same. So you're going to try to draw different ways to represent abata etayan. Aha. Migoyak you abata etayan. So that's for halves. Nungo migo giwi wabanani yo. Ekoniwing. Let's look at ekoniwing. Inga tunama. Let's put it right here. Ekoniwing omaya. Inga mazinibige. Ekoniwing. Nasabigo. Giwi bakanago. So we have our ekoniwing omaya. Minawa. Giwi is it chiganoma. Inga jamen. Oh hi. Quick ketan. Ishben giwiayam oma. Sometimes it might have it looking like this, where it's on its side, or it's the ganuka kakas on its side, where you draw your 3 lines, or it might be standing up straight and you have your 3 lines. Giwi giishkizhan yo ekoni nising niso beishag. So you draw your 3 lines in the middle, and that'll show you how to make your ekoniwing. Another thing that you could do, ishben giwiayan genuka kaka, giwi mazribiga nij beishag. You draw 2 lines, basic nij. Mino giwiayan, basic knees, niswe, niwen. So then you have eko niwen, you have your fourths. That's only 2 lines. And they will draw, and they will have points written out for you to select right here. Uma, uma, mino, emma. Which would be different from emma, 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 emma. Bakanago, another one that you could do that's a little bit different. It'yu, giwiayan, it'yu, ginukakaka, magishakakaka. If you have your rectangle or your square, your points are going to be oma, magaja oma, you know what, oma, oma, in the corners in your bajishka. Mino giwimas in a bige, magaja giishkizhan. You have to draw your lines. Emma basic niche. So it's a lot like this one right here, but you're turning it so that they're touching the corners, not these points. You still have your basic niche, niswe, niwen. You have your eko niwing, still in 4 pieces. So try to look at the dots and giwi ojetoniu eko niwing. Misa iyo nungo mingwich bizendawian. That's it for today. Thank you for listening to me. Gikawabaman.